Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I am so happy to see you all here today. How are you doing, Paul?
Hi, Emily. Hello, everyone. I am okay. Just okay. I feel a little bit like a robot today.
A robot? Why do you say that, Paul? Do you have metallic skin today?
No. I just mean my day is the same every day. I wake up, I drink coffee, I work, I sleep. It feels very automatic.
Ah, I understand. Many people feel that way. The daily routine can feel a bit boring sometimes, right?
Yes, exactly. It is just the same things over and over. I wake up at the same time. I eat the same toast. I see the same people.
Well, that is actually a perfect topic for today. We are going to talk about daily life, but not just the boring parts.
Oh, is there an exciting part to waking up at 6 a.m.? Because if there is, I missed it this morning.
Well, maybe not the time itself, but today we can talk about how we feel during the day and how small changes can make a big difference.
I like the sound of that. Small changes, because big changes are too difficult for me in the morning.
I know what you mean. So, let's start at the beginning. Paul, tell me about your morning. What is the very first thing you do?
Well, my alarm goes off at 6:30. It is a very loud, very annoying sound.
Oh, I hate loud alarms. Do you get out of bed immediately?
No, definitely not. I look at my phone. I think I look at my phone for 20 minutes, maybe 30.
Wow, 30 minutes. What are you looking at?
Oh, the news, social media, my emails. But it doesn't make me feel good. It makes me feel busy before I even start my day.
That is so true. I used to do that too. It's like your brain starts working too fast, but your body is still in bed.
Yes. And then I realize I'm late. So I jump out of bed, I rush to the bathroom, and I brush my teeth very fast.
A speedy routine. Do you have time for breakfast?
Just toast. I eat it while I'm putting on my shoes. It's not very relaxing, Emily.
It sounds very stressful, Paul. You start your day with rushing. No wonder you feel like a robot.
I know, but what can I do? I need to be at work by 8:30.
Well, let's think. What if you changed just one thing, like the phone?
Not looking at my phone? But what will I do for 30 minutes?
You could just sit, or look out the window, or listen to the birds.
Listen to the birds? Emily, I live in the city. I mostly hear the buses and the cars.
Okay. But even the sound of the city is better than the stress of the internet, don't you think?
Maybe. If I don't look at my phone, I can actually taste my toast. That would be a change.
Exactly. That is a small victory. You are choosing your own thoughts instead of reading other people's thoughts.
That's a good way to put it. I like that. Choosing my own thoughts.
And then you go to work. How is the commute? How do you get there?
I take the bus. It is usually very crowded. Everyone is looking at their phones, too. It's very quiet, but very busy.
I see. And when you arrive at work, how do you feel?
Usually, I am already a bit tired. I say hello to my colleagues like Tom and Sarah, remember them?
Oh, yes. Tom, the funny one, and Sarah, the quiet one. How are they doing?
They are okay, but we all just sit at our desks and start working. Click, click, click on the keyboard.
Do you take a break? It is very important to take a break during the day.
I have lunch at noon. Usually I buy a sandwich and eat it at my desk while I work.
Oh, Paul, no. Eating at your desk is not a break. Your brain is still working.
I know. but I have so many numbers to look at. Mr. Henderson wants those reports, remember?
I remember, but listen, if you take 20 minutes to walk outside, your brain will actually work better.
Really? You think walking helps with math and numbers?
Yes, it's like restarting a computer. When you walk, you breathe fresh air, you see trees, you see the sky.
There is a small park near my office. Maybe I can eat my sandwich there tomorrow.
That is a fantastic idea. That is another small change. Park lunch instead of desk lunch.
Park lunch? It sounds almost like a vacation.
See, you are becoming less of a robot already.
You're right. It's about being, what is the word? Present?
Yes, exactly. Being present in the moment.
Wait, Emily, before we continue talking about my afternoon, I want to say something to our friends listening.
Oh, yes. Go ahead, Paul.
If you are enjoying this conversation and learning some new words, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
Yes, please. It really helps us grow. And share it with a friend who is learning English too.
And we have a little game. If you are still listening, comment routine in the comments below.
Oh, I love that. Comment routine so we know you are here with us.
Okay, Emily. So we talked about my morning and my park lunch plan. What about the afternoon? That is when I feel most sleepy.
Ah, the afternoon slump. That is very common. Around 3 p.m., right?
Yes, 3 p.m. is the hardest time. I want to drink 5 coffees and sleep under my desk.
Please don't sleep under your desk. Mr. Henderson might be surprised.
He would be very angry. So what do you do when you feel sleepy in the afternoon?
Well, instead of more coffee, I try to drink a big glass of cold water, and I stretch my arms and legs.
Stretching, like yoga?
Not full yoga, just simple stretches. Stand up, reach for the sky, move your neck. It helps the blood move.
I can try that. Sarah might think I am a bit strange, but that's okay.
Sarah is quiet. She probably won't say anything.
True. And what about you, Emily? What is your afternoon like?
Well, I usually work from home, so in the afternoon, I like to listen to some music while I work. Something happy.
Oh, music is good. It changes the mood of the room.
It really does. And then at 5 p.m., I finish my work. That is a very important moment for me.
Do you just stop immediately?
Yes, I close my laptop. I put it away. I want my brain to know work is finished, life is starting.
Wow, I struggle with that. I often think about work when I am at home. I think about the numbers in the reports.
That is the robot brain again, Paul. You need to have a finish ritual.
A finish ritual? Like a ceremony?
Sort of. For me, it's changing my clothes. I take off my work clothes and put on my home clothes, my comfortable clothes.
Ah, like when you told me about your pajamas in the other episode.
Yes, it tells my body that it is time to relax.
That makes sense. I usually stay in my work clothes until I go to sleep. Maybe that is why I don't feel relaxed.
Exactly. It's a physical change that helps your mind change.
Okay. So I go home, I change my clothes, and then what? The evening feels so short.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I get home at 6:30. I'm tired, so I sit on the sofa and watch TV, and I eat dinner.
What do you watch?
Usually the news, or just some random shows. Sometimes I'm so tired I don't even know what I'm watching.
That is passive time. It's okay sometimes, but it doesn't give you energy.
You're right. It feels like I'm just waiting for the next day to start.
What if you did something small and creative? Or something for yourself?
Like what? I'm not a painter, Emily.
You don't have to be a painter. You could cook a new recipe, or read 5 pages of a book, or listen to an English podcast.
Ah, like this one?
Yes, listening to a story or a conversation in English is a great way to use your brain in a fun way. It's not work, it's growing.
I like that. It's not work, it's growing. That makes me feel more motivated.
And it doesn't have to be for a long time, just 15 minutes.
15 minutes. I can do that. Even a robot can find 15 minutes, right?
Definitely. And what about dinner? Do you like to cook?
I like it, but I'm often too lazy. I usually just heat up something in the microwave.
Well, here is a challenge. One night a week, cook something fresh. Even just a simple pasta with some vegetables.
A cooking night. I think I would enjoy the smell of fresh garlic and onions more than a microwave meal.
Ah, the smell of cooking is the best. It makes a house feel like a home.
You were very wise today, Emily. You have a lot of good ideas.
I just think our daily life is our real life. We spend so much time waiting for the weekend or waiting for a vacation.
Yes, I am always saying I can't wait for Saturday.
But Wednesday is a day too. Tuesday is a day too. Every day has 24 hours of life.
That is a very deep thought. Every day is a real day, not just a waiting day.
Exactly. So if we make these small changes, we start to enjoy the boring days.
Okay, let me review my new day plan.
I'm ready. Let's hear it.
Okay, step 1, no phone in bed. I listen to the city birds or the buses, and I taste my toast.
Perfect. Step 1 is a success.
Step 2, park lunch. I eat my sandwich under a tree and look at the sky.
I love it. Your brain will thank you.
Step 3, afternoon stretching. I will be the tallest, most flexible person in the office.
Watch out, Sarah. Paul is stretching.
Step 4, the finish ritual. I go home and immediately change into my comfortable clothes. No more work brain.
Yes, that is a very important one.
And step 5, 15 minutes of growing, reading or listening to English, and maybe cooking some real pasta.
Paul, that sounds like a wonderful life, not a robot life at all.
I feel better just thinking about it. It makes the day feel special.
It is special. And you know, sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we wake up late and we have to rush. And that is okay.
Really? It's okay if I failed the plan sometimes?
Of course, we are human, not machines. If you have a bad morning, just try to have a good afternoon.
If you have a bad morning, have a good afternoon. I will write that down too.
Life is not about being perfect. It's about trying.
Wow, Emily, I feel very inspired. I think I am going to start my finish ritual as soon as we finish this episode.
That is great. I'm going to have a nice cup of tea and read my book.
That sounds lovely. You know, I think our listeners have their own routines too.
I'm sure they do. Everyone has a different life.
Maybe they can tell us about them.
Yes, that would be so interesting.
We have covered a lot of vocabulary today, haven't we?
We have words like routine, commute, slump, ritual, and present.
And robot. Don't forget the robot.
Yes, and how to stop being a robot.
It's amazing how simple English can help us talk about such important things.
That's why we love doing this, Paul. Learning a language is about more than just words. It's about sharing our lives.
It really is. Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
It is. Time flies when you are having a good conversation.
It does. I don't feel tired anymore. I feel energized.
That makes me so happy, Paul. Mission accomplished.
Yes. So everyone, thank you so much for listening to our chat today.
Yes, thank you. We hope these tips help you look at your daily life in a new way.
Remember, a small change is a big victory.
That's right. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give this video a big like. It helps other English learners find us.
And leave a comment. We want to know, what is one small change you want to make in your routine?
Yes, tell us. Do you want to drink more water? Walk more? Read more? We want to read your stories.
We really do. Reading your comments is the best part of our day.
It is. Well, Emily, I'll see you in the next episode.
See you soon, Paul.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful non-robot day.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.